In this video, we'll learn how to add a new practice in PinkyBill NCPDP. Step 1. Click on the settings icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Practice. Step 3. Click on the Add Practice button to begin. Step 4. You'll be presented with 3 options for practice types: CMS 1500, NCPDP, and UB04. Step 5. We'll proceed with NCPDP. Click on it to continue. Now, complete the required fields. Select the injury state. Enter the tax ID. Provide the provider information including name, address, and contact details. Fill in the NPI and taxonomy code. You can also upload important documents, the W-9 form, which will be automatically attached to claim submissions, a practice logo, which will appear on medical reports and related documents. For NCPDP practices, make sure to also fill in the pharmacy fee details, dispensed fee, and compound fee. There is also a section for any additional information you wish to include. Once all fields are completed, click the Save button. Your new practice has been successfully added to PinkyBill.
PinkyBill.